Hi, Aiden. Hi. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Hi. What are you doing? Oh, yeah? What's Daddy doing to your feet?
What? What?
What happened? Show everybody how you smile in the morning. How you're so happy. Hi. Are you pooping? Oh.
Yummy.
That's why he wears this. Yeah, it's funny. It's funny that you just threw up. Yeah. Oh, there goes more. Yeah, it's funny. I don't think it's normal to be throwing up that much. All right.